In this hall, here are judges of the Supreme Court, the Court of Appeal, the Federal High Court, and the FCT High Court. They are here for the launch of a training manual on anti-corruption by the Nigerian Institute of Advanced Legal Studies. The manual is meant for the training of the judges to equip them with the knowledge to navigate the complexities of anti-corruption laws, from the Proceeds of Crime Act to the Administration of Criminal Justice Act. The heads of the various courts who are represented here say the judiciary remains critical in combating corruption in the country. They say the mere enactment of anti-corruption laws doesn't get the job done.
Effective implementation of anti-corruption laws demands more than the existence of legislative frameworks. It necessitates a well-informed, skilled, and ethically resolute cadre.
We bear the solemn responsibility of giving life and meaning to these laws through our judgments, procedural discipline, and principled conduct.
When corruption infiltrates the judiciary, it does more than just compromise outcomes. Rather, it strikes at the very soul of justice. It is for this reason that continuous capacity building initiatives are vital.
I'm glad that we are having this conversation because there is need to speed up the corruption cases pending in our court, to deepen the understanding of the prosecutors who bring these cases to court, of the judges who judge them. And I hope the DG of NELS will also have this kind of training for lawyers who defend these cases.
Anti-corruption.
Professor Fidelis Odita, a legal practitioner with international exposure, who is the keynote speaker at the workshop, says the country needs to get a lot of things in proper perspective if the anti-corruption war is to yield the desired outcome.
We have the EFCC, we have the police, we have the ICPC, we have the Code of Conduct Bureau, we have the Nigerian Financial Intelligence Unit, and there are so many other smaller quangos established under a plethora of legislation. And you ask yourself, why have all these things not worked?
Some of these laws have been implemented for some years now. Okay, so we look at what is the problem. Take for instance, we have Administration of Criminal Justice Act. There are so many provisions that we have made the implementation of the law so seamless. Trial of criminal cases, but we are still having difficulty. So for us, we have now done research to say, okay, what can we do?
With corruption posing an existential threat to Nigeria, there is a call on judicial officers to join the fight to tame the menace. Godfrey Eshemoge, Arise News.